According to the National Weather Service, the city of Corpus Christi receives nearly 32 inches of rain a year. Why not collect some of that rain with a rain barrel? Contrary to popular belief, they're not illegal, and the Water Resources Division sells barrels to water customers at a reduced price. It's an environmentally friendly way to harvest and utilize rainwater. The 55-gallon container captures rain from rooftops by connecting to the home's downspout. Folks can use this water for gardens, lawns, washing cars, and even pets. Rain barrels can be purchased for $47. That's less than half the retail price. They must be purchased in person at City Hall and picked up at the city's warehouse at Civitan near Ayers. For more information on purchasing rain barrels, visit www.cctexas.com or call 826-CITY. That's 826-2489.